Alright, now that we have the list, everybody has 33 elements? Okay, let's go to the next step. It's going to be calculating the mean, median, mode, and all of that. So we're going to be filling it into this table. So, if you follow your notes, it's already there. You just type the word mean, parentheses, and then what's the name of our list? Okay, so this is fourth period's mean. Every class had a different mean. So let's round. Let's round to the hundreds. 45.90. Yeah, 45.94. So let's write it on your paper. For maze A. Okay. And then if you don't know, this is an approximate sign, so approximately 45.90. Alright, everybody good? Let's do median. So we got median of list A. Our median is 43. Okay. You're doing this with me again, follow along so that when you do maze B, you can do it on your own. Okay? So 43 is our median for maze A. This one, no, it's exactly 43. So we don't need the. You're talking about this side? Yeah, this is just approximately when we round. Is there a command for mode on your notes? No, because there's no going to do mode. Okay. What is mode? The number that repeats the most frequently. Yeah. So you just have to look at those. What are they? There's multiple for fourth period? Let's see. Maze A, we have, isn't it just doubles? Ooh. Okay. What's the rule when there's more than one? We think it's average, that's for median. Do I remember? Yeah, you write them. You list them. So y'all tell me which ones they are, and I will write them on the screen. What are they? 20 repeats twice. Okay, what else? 25. Okay. 21. 43 and 44. Okay. 72. Yeah, so if you ever have more than one that repeats, you just list them. Okay. Alright, maximum, we don't need decimals for now. What's the max? 138. And minimum? 13 seconds. Okay. And so that leads to the range, right? The range, what do you do? Minus 13. What is interquartile range? This one we haven't talked about, but the interquartile range is the part in your box plot that's Q1 and Q3, so the range of that. So we will subtract what? What's the upper quartile? No, like which Q is it? Q3, and the lower one is Q1. So we would do Q3 minus Q1. Write that down because we can see that on the video. Okay. The interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. That's the spread in the middle of the video. So now let's find the command for quartiles. How are we going to find the quartiles? What does it say? Okay, quartile, type the word. Quartile, parentheses. A comma, it's a comma, not a period. Comma 1. There's Q1. And then we'll do it again for Q3 quartile. A, comma, 3. Alright, make sure you get the same numbers as me. We have 26 for Q1 and 61.5 for Q3. Okay. Alright, can I write it now? Okay. 61.5 minus good. 35.5. How did I get that number again? Q3 minus Q1. And are you confident finding quartile? How would we find them before? We have to do it by hand, do you remember? Yes. Oh, no. How do we find quartile? Q1 and Q3. Right. The lower end. Good, yes. So you take the median, you split the data into two parts, and you bring median of the lower quartile, median of the upper. But aren't you so happy there's no difference? Alright, what's the next thing we need to do for main A? Last thing. Box plot. So, for this command, you just type the word box plot, parentheses, A. Okay. Now see that? One thing I want to tell you, you see where it has this little check mark for show outliers as dots? What did y'all tell me was the maximum? 138. So, is that what it shows for this? No. The reason being is that it's including outliers in the data, so we don't want that. Unclick this, please. Unclick it. Very important. Unclick that button. And now it should show you the box plot that I want. What's my zoom button? Oh, there it is. Okay, it's pretty big, okay? But it's just a sketch, so when you draw it on your paper, just write the numbers that matter, like min, max, Q1, median, and Q3. So let's model that here. Okay. Plot your notes. The boxes here on the left side. This is sketch you want to here's the new one, and then we go to Q1, which is 26, and the median is 23. And Q3, Q1. 5. And we have the maximum, which is just a quick sketch. Remember, hopefully even in those 3 hours, just answer our questions you can. Yeah. But these numbers are actually give us a lot of information. We just have to analyze it and know what it means. So all these numbers are what? Yeah. What is the number? Time. Yeah. For the mean. And this is only for mean A. Your job now is to do mean B. Everything else you do from the mean to the interquartile papers, and I want papers flying out of your notebook. I give you back your writing information level on page 2. Okay, so on the next page would be your warm-up days on the left, and then these notes on the right. Now, on Monday, we're going to see if you did name these correctly. Okay, I'm going to show you the answer. And then I have homework for you. You're going to write 3 sentences after